Good morning, I'm Mary Catherine Hawks, and I am here in the Books for Keeps office, and I'll be reading to you this morning. I love books, and I love reading with children. I am a Books for Keeps mentor, but I also work in the Clark County District in the school counseling department, working with students as well. So I'm so excited to be reading with you today, and I'll be reading Wherever You Go, which is written by Pat Zietlow Miller and illustrated by Eliza Wheeler. Wherever you go. When it's time for a journey to learn and to grow, roads guide your footsteps wherever you go. Roads give you chances to seek and explore. Want an adventure? Just open your door. Roads go over a hill, under a bridge, deep in a valley, and high on a ridge. If you yearn for the ocean or wish for a stream, roads bring you closer to reaching your dream. Roads zoom beneath city buildings. They tower on high, twinkling like stars in the dark velvet sky. Racing past signs and reflecting their light, zigging and zagging, turn left, then turn right. Roads bend, detours head where you wouldn't expect, showing you various ways to connect. Bringing you closer, then curving away. You always have choices to go or to stay. Roads reach across flowing rivers, past harbors and bays, with breathtaking bridges designed to amaze. Attaching to places that once were apart, choose to cross over, follow your heart. Roads merge, small distant roads sometimes travel alone, making the miles out there on their own. Then a new road wants to join in the fun, heads the same way, and the two become one. Roads grow. Well-traveled roads sometimes need extra space to guide life's adventures to a new place. Which path should you choose? That's easy to see. The one that will take you where you wish to be. Roads wait for click-clacking trains and boats with tall sails, slow-going hay wagons carrying bales. Stoplights and crosswalks, a deer and a friend. Roads sometimes pause or just come to an end. Roads climb. Steep mountain peaks dusted lightly with snow, rising above the deep canyon below. Clinging to cliffs and chasing a cloud, reaching the top, tired but proud. Roads remember every life landmark, the big and the small, the moments you tripped, the times you stood tall. Where you are going and where you began, what you expected, what you didn't plan. Roads return. During your journey, you'll ramble and roam, but sooner or later, you'll think of your home. After you've seen all you needed to see, a road takes you back where you're longing to be. Back to the hill, under that bridge, deep in your valley and high on your ridge. Roads take you all over the planet, but then you always can follow them home once again. The end.